Yo, what's going on, crew? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Serrano. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Tranya F1 True Wireless Earbuds. Now, these are a pair of earphones that I've been really enjoying, but make sure you stay locked into the end of the video if you're very first time to the channel. I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new, but stay locked in with me. I'll get right back with you. Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at the Tranya F1 Wireless Earbuds, which are a really nice set of earbuds, and these have been out for a little bit of time now. But one of the reasons I wanted to talk about these is because they've not only have they been out for a little bit, but they're actually half off, so you can get them for 50% off, and that's going to bring the price down substantially. But we're going to talk about the quality, we're going to talk about the unboxing, and we're going to talk about my overall experience. And just a spoiler alert, it was a really solid pair of earbuds when it comes to a number of different features that I want to get into. But make sure you guys stay locked in with me, and you know what I'm saying, I truly appreciate you for coming through. But the unboxing experience was really straightforward because it comes in this nice white box, and you do get a nice friendly packaging overall. You just tear the plastic apart from the box, and then you go ahead, open up the seal on here. But do me a favor, I just want to remind you, hit the like button so we could beat the YouTube algorithm. And comment down below and say I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me, okay? So the instruction manual is at the top of the box, and what it offers is touch controls, as well as a number of different features that I just think are really impressive for a pair of earbuds at this price point. Wireless charging is on board, so we get volume controls, we get a gaming mode, we get extremely deep bass coming out of these earphones. We also get an LED indicator, which I'll get into in a little bit more detail, but you could basically see the battery percentage of the earbuds when you take them out of the case, which is pretty cool. It gives you an overall battery percentage of each earbud as well as the entire case. So I thought that was pretty nifty feature that it did come with the Tranya F1 wireless earbuds. Now these earbuds are 13mm large drivers, which are going to basically be full body audio, and very wide stage when it comes to the delivery of the music that you're going to be listening to, because you're going to be able to hear the clear mids, detailed trembles, and extremely crafted bass on here. So the pairing process, all you have to do is take the earbuds out of the case, take those out, and just wait about a second or so for the Tranya F1s to show up on your device, and then you're going to see them pair up to your device. You just hit the pair option, and then when you tap on the earbuds for the controls or whatever, one of the things that I noticed about other earbuds with the touch controls is that you can false touch or whatever, but these actually have physical buttons, so you won't like accidentally touch a button. But another thing that I noticed is that you get the Google Assistant, and when touching these in the ear, it's not going to force the earbud in your ear every time you touch it. It doesn't even go close to feeling uncomfortable when you're touching the buttons, which I really liked, because it's going to be a pleasurable experience each time you touch the button, and you won't have to worry about any discomfort when you're hitting the button and it driving into your ear or whatever. So it's going to be pretty cool, because these are actually the half in-ear design earbuds, and they offer an extremely deep bass with the gaming mode on here. When you tap 4 times on either side of the earbud, if you tap 3 times, it switches the track. 2 times, it actually switches the volume, and 1 time it'll pause it. But one of the things that I noticed is that there was a lot of detail when I was listening to these, and they also would get extremely loud when it comes to the overall sound and range of these earbuds when it comes to highs and lows. So another thing that I did want to talk about is the battery life, but let's just jump into the microphones real quick, and then we'll jump into the battery life, because these will offer just under 40 hours of overall listening time. But let's take a look at the mics.
F1 microphones coming from the Bluetooth. So I just want to give you a sample of how it sounds when I'm talking to the microphones on the Tranya F1s. Now let's turn on the fan and see how it sounds. So the fan is actually on. I just turned it on. Let me know if you could hear the difference when a fan is actually in the background. It's a little bit of background noise so you could kind of get an idea of how the Tranya F1 sound with background noise. And now I'm going to turn the fan off one more time and let you hear how it sounds without the fan noise. So just a quick audio sample with the Tranya F1s, okay?
So like I said, the gaming on here is going to be extremely cool because you won't have any latency with the Bluetooth 5.3, which is going to offer an extremely strong connection, ultra low latency, and more stable transmission for ensuring faster speeds when you take them out of the case for a quick connection. And I noticed that whenever I was using these, they didn't fall out or feel like they were going to like come out of my ear because of the larger battery, which is going to be a 500 milliamp hour battery case, and they're going to last 7 hours per charge, and then an additional 32 hours to extend the battery on your earbuds for an all-day listening experience when it comes to these guys. But one of the things that I noticed is that the case does charge wirelessly, so you can put it on a wireless charger as well. And another feature is those LED indicating lights on the outside of the case. And then the touch button is just extremely soft, so it's not going to feel like you're poking the inside of your ear canal or eardrum. Very soft touch, so anytime you want to make a adjustment from either the track and switch the track, or just switch the volume, or throw on the gaming mode when you're watching a movie or playing games, these did ensure a really good experience when it came to that. Overall design is 3 grams of weight, so they're going to be really light in the ear as well. And the microphones are going to offer 4 different microphones that are going to filter out surrounding noise, so you could pick up your voice and still achieve superior call quality whether you're in a Zoom call or a conference call meeting outdoors, or just in an environment where there's a lot of people around you. It will block out some of the noise as well. So I had a really good time listening to these earbuds. They did offer a really nice ergonomic design. They did have that LED digital power display, which was straightforward to remind you how much power you had left on the case. Accurate touch buttons with multi-button control, so you could skip tracks, listen to these simultaneously or at a single time. Voice assistant, which was pretty cool when you just long hold for 3 seconds. And like I said, just a really comfortable design, lightweight, ergonomic, and extremely good price point right now at $15. I think these are one of the best pair of earbuds that actually compete with others earphones in the same price point, and it fits easily in your pocket for commutes. But I just want to remind you, hit the like button and subscribe, get notified for more videos, and I'll get right back with you later, crew. Peace.